Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you control the domain and that DNS points to the right host. This prevents certificate issuance failures. Once done, pick the appropriate certificate type, DV for speed, OV or EV for identity assurance, wildcard if many subdomains exist. Make a full backup of your site files, databases, and server config before altering anything. Backups let you revert if a change breaks the site. Now request or generate the certificate from your CA or automation tool. Now install the certificate plus the full chain onto the server, place private key and certs in secure paths, and set correct permissions. Configure your server to prefer TLS1, 3 and TLS1. 2. Explicitly disable SSLv3 and TLS1. 0 to avoid known vulnerabilities. Configure cipher suites to prefer ECTA and EAD ciphers, enable HSDS to force HTTPS, and enable OXP stapling so clients get certificate revocation. Finish by testing from multiple clients. Run SSL labs for a grade, use curl-v and browser dev tools to spot mixed content or insecure refs. Make sure links, APIs, and external assets use HTTPS. Set up automated renewal, Acme clients or scheduled tasks, and alerts to avoid expiry. If something breaks, check server error logs, confirm the full certificate chain is served, and verify DNS propagation. Often a missing intermediate or stale cache causes failures. Repeat tests after fixes to confirm the site is secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.